Hi, Mommy. Stop.
You said do you do it?
Stop, Alex. Please.
You said do it again.
Not that, Alex.
Pick that up, please, Alex.
I'm gonna kick you out in like 2 seconds. Okay, Mommy. How many ones are you?
I don't know.
That's lovely.
But that's what happens when you're pregnant. You have heartburn. And you want to burp and throw up constantly.
Oh, that's great advice.
Yeah. No sex.
That's even more great of advice. Get off me!
When a boy says, honey, I love you, come to bed with me, you say, no, I don't want heartburn.
That's what I'm going to say?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you absolutely sure?
Just trust me. If you tell him that will cause him to have to hold your hand when you're pushing a baby out, and then for 9 months you're going to have heartburn and want to throw up. Say, oh, okay.
I'll remind him.
He won't want to mess with you.
Whoever he is. Let me see.
Just become a lesbian.
Oh, you're disgusting.
Then can I cut off some of your tooth and then yank it out?
Yeah, Alex, totally.
I'm gonna go get the knife.
He's like violent. Hi, Jonathan. Hi. Jonathan, say hi.
Nada, it's gonna be this tooth.
Oh, you're talking about the wisdom teeth.
I'm gonna cut out your wisdom tooth.
No, you see what you're gonna do to him. Look. No.
No.
Stop, Alex. I said no. Alright, Jonathan, say bye.
No.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. No. Okay, bye.
I really do want to wear this home.
Which one? Let me see. Let's get it on camera.